Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $10 a day over and over again. Now before I get deep into the content of this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be releasing more videos like this about money making online, about affiliate marketing, Shopify dropshipping. And remember to hit the notification bell that comes along with the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of my future video releases. Now this method involves having businesses, especially small businesses, pay you at least $5 to $10 or more by simply verifying their Facebook pages. And I'll also show you how you can also upsell on this as well. You don't need to have any prior experiences, you don't need to know how to code. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So as I mentioned, it involves verifying Facebook pages for businesses, especially small businesses. So why would we want to do this? So as you can see here, some pages and profiles have been verified by Facebook to let people know that they're authentic. Now when I say verified, I don't mean the blue check mark that you see celebrities have, big businesses have like Apple and all. I'm talking about these simple gray check marks that shows that your page is verified, that you are a legitimate business. So verified page, Facebook confirmed that this page is an authentic page for this business or organization. So if you have a legitimate business, a local business, then having this will actually make your business better. Now actually most businesses, they don't realize that this is something that's very important to their social media content, such as having their Facebook page like this. Now here's some articles I found. Should I bother to verify my Facebook page? So why is this so important? Why Facebook verification matters so much to businesses? So here, you can see here, build trust for your audience. So obviously when they see that check mark, your audiences will be more inclined to trust you even more. Right, so you get back your views. You know, sometimes when you become when your businesses increase, or you have some competitors that want to take you down, they make these fake pages using your brand, and then they scam people to hurt your reputation, or maybe they're loyal followers of yours. They don't realize that they're doing this, they're hurting your reputation. Alright, so when you have that verified badge, then it shows that this is your official business, so not the other ones. So it will help you show up higher in search. So when people search you inside Facebook, your page will be at a higher level of the search. Now for the fourth one, the possibility of increased engagement. So people will be more inclined to engage in your content. They will like your posts, comment, share. They will go to the local businesses. So this is why it's so important to have your Facebook page verified. Okay, here's another article, how a verification badge in your Facebook page reinforces your legitimacy. Alright, so why should I get it? Why should you get Facebook page verified? You add legitimacy to your business, avoid duplicates, fake pages, and multiple entries, like I mentioned just now. Helps your customers feel more secure when they see that you have a verified badge by Facebook. Improves your page ranking in search. Okay, so how can you get the Facebook page of these businesses certified or verified? Alright, so instead of explaining to you, I'm going to show you this short video that I found. It's a very informative.
Click Settings at the top of your business page. From General, click Page Verification and verify this page. Enter a publicly listed phone number for your business, your country and language. Clicking Call Me Now will allow Facebook to call you with a verification code. Enter the 4-digit code and click Continue. If you prefer to verify your page with a business document, then click Verify this page with documents instead at the bottom of the left of the window. Then upload a picture of an official document showing your business's name and address.
Alright, so it's that simple. So you give in your phone number and all the details. But if you don't want to do that, then you can also send in your documents. Alright, so this is Facebook Help Center. So how can you get the gray verification badge? Okay, first you actually need to become an admin for those pages. So you have to request admin permission for you to become an admin in those pages. Alright, so it has to be published, has to have profile picture, a cover photo, and all these businesses, they have already covered this. They must have posts. So you go to the settings, from general, page verification, verify this page. So enter the phone number of the business, country, language, and then call me now, and then they will send you a 4-digit verification code, and click continue. But if you don't want to go that route, you can also follow the steps above and click the verify page with documents instead. So you can also hand in legitimate documents of those businesses, like phone bills. So they will receive your verification code or business document and review it to confirm that it matches your public records. So they actually need to manually review it and see that this business is actually who they say they are. Alright, so now that you got the concept down, I'm going to show you where you can find these small businesses. Right, so you go to facebook.com/places. So you can discover great places in every city. I think it's best to find local businesses around you, so it's easier for you to call if they want to see you in person. Right, so maybe you're living in Phoenix, Arizona. Alright. Alright, so now they'll show local businesses inside that region. So in Phoenix, Arizona, if you live there, or maybe you live in New York City, for instance, you'll find these normally restaurants. Okay, so you click this and see more places to eat, and it will show a wide list of businesses that have their Facebook pages. Now I'm gonna open some of them, so let's choose this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I showed you the other one just now, the FEZ, the Fast and Easy Restaurant and Bar. So they already have their Facebook page verified. But you can also, if they have this done, you can also ask them if you could redo their logo, the cover photo, for instance, manage their page. Alright, so back to these ones. So first, let's look at this one, Switch. So this appears to be a restaurant and bar as well. So as you can see, the ratings are very high. So people actually love this place. And based on the opinion of thousands of people, so it's a legitimate business. They post pictures of the food that they offer, that they sell. But sadly, they don't have the verification badge yet. So let's look at the other ones. Restaurant Progress Paychecks. Yeah, same. 5 out of 5 stars. So people actually love this. You can call them. Welcome Diner, 700 plus people, nearly 5 stars. But all of these pages, they don't have the verification badge. And as you can see, the profile pictures, the cover photos aren't really that engaging. They're not really that nice. Alright, so what you can do is you can call them, because you're living in that region, so you can call them or you can send them a message. Right, so you can go along the lines of let's say, can I speak to someone active in this page? And then, okay, or maybe go, I've noticed a few errors that you have inside your page, so I'd be glad to help you out. Find creative ways to actually message these people and grab their attention. When you've hooked them, then maybe you can also call them. If they want to request to see you, you can go to the business. Alright, so from there, it's very simple. You just ask them to request access as an admin and follow the steps that I showed you just now. Go to settings, general, verify the page and all. And then when they trust you, you could also upsell them and say that you could manage their Facebook page. You could change the cover photos, their profile pictures. You can do this with a lot of businesses because these are simple things that these businesses don't realize that they're leaving money on the table. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can get paid and advertise your business. Right, so the first way is very easy. Just go to places, send a message, call them. You could also take it a step further and list yourself as a freelance seller inside Fiverr. So Fiverr is basically a marketplace, a freelance marketplace where people can actually advertise their services for a small fee, like $5. There are also sellers who sell their services for thousands of dollars. Now let's look at this. So you can search for verify Facebook page, and as you can see here, I will give you you see these people, they actually offer the services of managing these Facebook pages, right? So you can say that I will verify your Facebook page, I will change your social media content, your cover photo, your profile picture. I'll also redo your about page, so your about description and all. I can take photos of your business, of the food that you offer, about the services that you offer, the promotions. So let's look at this. I will professionally manage your Facebook page. So he's charging at least $80 and 7 days delivery, 3 days of social media management. So this is his lowest offer, which is $80. I will create a Facebook page for your business. So you can also offer the service. You can create a Facebook page for them if they don't have a Facebook page yet, if they don't realize that they're leaving money on the table by not having a presence online, having a Facebook page of their own. And then manage it for 7 days. And then he's charging $155 to create and manage a Facebook page for 15 days. There's also another one for $300 to grow the Facebook page for 30 days. So there's a lot of ways that you can actually advertise a service on this. Alright, so I'm sorry if the video was quite long. I tried to keep it as compact as I can, the information that I gave you inside this video. So that's how you can make at least $10 a day over and over again by offering services to verify these Facebook pages, managing their pages, and then maybe upselling them on changing their cover photos, their profile pictures, taking photos of their businesses. So if you found this video valuable, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell that comes along with it so that you'll be notified of future video releases. Like this video, comment any suggestions that you have. I'd love to hear any opinions that you have. I reply to every single one of my comments. So yeah, I hope this helps and have a nice day.